Hi guys, today we'll be making EPANGNKUKWU, a food from Akwa Ibom people, from Efik people. I think it's Efik people that also make it, but we also do make it, and we call it ikoko. So in case there's any other name for it in your dialect, you can share with me, but I know it as ikoko. I didn't even know that this food is mostly Akwa Ibom people that makes it, or that is one of their main dish. But my mommy this is my mommy's favorite. Like, after making this food, I called my mom and told her, "Mommy, guess what I made?" She was like, "Tell me now." Then I told her, "Mommy, come and eat ikoko." She screamed and told me, "Why didn't I make it when she was in Port Harcourt? Oh my God, she misses so much." That the part where they are now, they barely see the WaterYam. Okay, I told her, "Mommy, don't worry. Just like I imported mine from Ebonyi State, I'm going to import for you guys so you can eat that thing you've always loved to eat." It's my mommy's favorite though. So this is me making my mom's favorite dish. It's called ikoko. In my dialect, it's ikoko. I don't know what you guys call it, Ankara. Quite people call it EPANGNKUKWU. So join me as I'm making my ikoko and EPANGNKUKWU. But today, I just want to do a short introduction about myself. Yes, because I know some of you be like, "This Sakpa cousin girl, where is she from? I don't know. I'd like to know where she's from, So in case you have one brother like that is from not from Anambra State. I like Anambra people that is acting like this man, what is his name, that acted this movie that was produced by Money. So if you have a brother that is acting like what is his name? Why did his name escape my head right now? Don't you know that guy, the main actor in the movie? If you have a brother act like that, please help a sister introduce me to him. Okay, back to my introduction. My name is Ifeoma Goodness. Yes, you can call me Ifeoma, you can also call me Goodness, but I prefer you calling me Ifeoma Chukwu, or you can also call me Ify for short. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. So I'm from somewhere in the east. Yes, I'm from somewhere in the east, but if I'm supposed to be given a green card, I'm supposed to get my my citizenship in Enugu State, because I love Enugu. I love how cool, how serene the environment is there. But sadly, I'm not from there. But I love Enugu. I love Enugu State, and I also love Anambra State, because I would love it if my future husband, if I have my Odogu spender from Anambra State. But don't get me wrong, I love every state. I'm a fan of every state. Like, I love the Hausas, I love the Yorubas, I love everybody. As long as it's God that created you, I love you. Yeah. And anywhere that God say that is where I'm gonna go, even if it's Hausa, I will go there. Okay guys, so that is for that. And I base in Rivers State, in case you don't know. Yeah, I base in Rivers State. So as you can see, look at my pot of EPANGNKUKWU, or you can call it my pot of ikoko. Look at how beautiful, how sumptuous, how demure it's looking. I know you feel like bringing your plate, stretching your plate to me. Baby, stretch it, baby. I'm gonna give you to taste and to eat, and another day to remind you that is not every time you'll be cooking Indomie rice, Gary. Try and change something different for your family to eat, or for yourself. Just look at this now. Look at this sumptuous meal. Chineke nam, this girl sabi cook. She sabi do. Thanks guys for watching.